Hi everyone, in this video I'm reviewing SafePal Wallet. Is it still worth using or should you look elsewhere? Let's find out. SafePal is a crypto wallet supported by Binance that offers both a mobile app and hardware wallet for securely managing your crypto assets. The mobile wallet supports multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and even NFTs. One of its biggest pros is security. Your private keys are stored locally, and the hardware wallet offers offline storage. You can also buy, swap, and stake crypto directly within the app. But on the downside, some users say the UI can be a bit clunky, and the swap fees are higher than average. So is SafePal worth it? If you want a secure multi-chain wallet with a hardware backup, it's a solid choice. Just be mindful of the fees. And that's our SafePal Wallet review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.